Have you ever imagined what it would be like to build a successful business from scratch with nothing but an internet connection and your determination? Do you find yourself trapped in the daily grind, sacrificing time with your loved ones just to make ends meet? Are you tired of missing out on the precious moments that truly matter in life? If you ever felt the guilt of not being there for your family when they need you most, you're not alone. I've been there too. Working long hours, traveling endlessly, and feeling like I was failing as a partner and parent. But I found a solution, and I want to share it with you. Online businesses offer the freedom to spend quality time with your family while still achieving financial security. Imagine being able to be there for every milestone, every hug, every moment that truly matters. If you're ready to take control of your life and create a future where you can prioritize your family while building a successful business, then click the Learn More button somewhere around this video. Simply share your name and email, and I'll send you free workshop videos that will show you the proven methods and shortcuts to starting your own online business. Don't let another moment slip away. Take the first steps towards reclaiming your time and nurturing your most cherished relationships. Click the button now. I've been working alone at 5-star resorts around the world and watching people swimming, lazing next to the pool and just relaxing with their family, and I was thinking I was wasting my life. I should be one of those people. I thought now is the time for me to take control of my destiny. I regret I didn't take control of my life earlier. Picture this: the blissful embrace of laughter and joy, surrounded by the warm company of family and friends, while the sun-kissed waters of a luxurious resort beckon you to indulge in leisurely relaxation. It's a life we all yearn for, isn't it? In January 2024, there were 5.3 billion internet users globally, and the number of internet users grew by 97 million in the last 12 months. And with the internet growing every year, opportunities abound. For example, more than 11,000 affiliate programs where you get paid for helping businesses market and sell their products online, either through your website or other e-commerce platforms like Amazon. You can build your online business at your own pace from home. There's no age limit, no need for physical stores or hefty investments, just an internet-connected device, no bosses dictating your schedule. Work on your terms from anywhere in the world with an uncapped income potential. To achieve this, all you need is a little guidance to turn this vision into reality. For the guidance, click the Learn More button somewhere around this video. Simply share your name and email, and I'll show you how you can embark on this life-changing journey.